Alright.
So we just see the camera
as soon as I said, I bet you they circled around behind us, you shot us.
No, I'm the only one. They're all over there.
Okay.
I stalked you from the pig pen. I saw you walking over here, and I went slowly behind you.
Yeah, that's what I figured one of y'all did. We saw a guy, one of our guys saw you, that's what we were running. Alright.
Nice try though.
Yeah, I didn't want to use auto because it's a little close.
Yeah, I had my gun on safety. I'm like, did it hit you in the face?
No.
Oh.
No, they're down there right here. And actually, I was kind of like this and popped me underneath it. This is weird. Weird how that happened.
My old team was at the second story. Where it was
Spread out. You all spread out. You all do a battle buddy too.
Alright. Those are friendlies up there.
Those are?
Leapfrog with your battle buddy. Move forward, Polska. Alright, move in. Polska, alright, cover it.
Hit.
Hit. Rest your battle buddy.
Hit.
Hit! Hit! Tag me. Oh.
Oh, hit again.
Hit! Oh, my mag just broke.
Oh.
What the hell?
Polska, cover me. I'm gonna res them.
Hey.
Hit.
Oh, hit.
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 We're hit. Hold on.
Hey, come tag me.
You're not ready to tag me.
Am I? Okay, yeah, I get it. Okay, thank you.
Good.
Move.
I got him. He's down. Oh, hit. Hit. Yeah. Two story.
What the hell? Like a whole bush.
They got windows on the door. All right. Contact left, contact right, whatever. Contact right.
He doesn't have a chance. There he is. Oh, there we go. And then he got tagged right back there. Out.
All right, is he hit? No, he's not.
He shot my hollow.
Yeah. Oh, you got a guy on top. Guy on top. Try and hit the guy up top.
Hit! If you guys shoot at the two-story in like unison, then I'll run up. But
Guy up top.
hit! Yeah.
Hey, you try to get the guy up top up there.
Hit! Not again.
The best thing about bitch games, getting hit all the time.
Yeah, I know.
Up top isn't on the second floor?
Yeah. There we go. Got him. Okay, cover me. Give me a safe to run
Probably
up.
not hit. How the fuck did I like you?
I'm running. Ready?
No, with you.
YOLO.
I think
Where you guys want cover from?
Just shoot at the 2-story.
Okay.
It's kind of stupid. We're probably going to get shot and get out for a while, but you don't have to go. This is a death.
No, I know.
I am going to die.
I've done this before, so I have a charged thing of fun knife.
Yeah, I've gotten a few sword kills here.
I've gotten like 3.
They have to be running out of ammo sooner or later.
Yeah. Oh, hit.
They won't give up, will they?
How many BBs?
I don't know. It's ridiculous.
One of them is starting to run a battery.
Grenade. I don't know if it'll work, but...
Well, it has to.
I'll use a grenade. It didn't work last time.
Yeah. Well, I don't think you should pull it right now.
No, I'm not gonna pull it right now.
It only works if you land it inside.
Yeah, I know. I'll throw it over the top. Or through that little window. Okay, I'm going.
Not yet? Alright, yeah. Keep the spoon on.
If I get shot before... Okay, ready? Oh, now they're shooting at us again. They're they're just walking around up there.
Well, let me know when you want to go.
Yeah, just cover. Once they stop shooting, I'll run.
Here, I'll be behind you. Hit!
Oh, back in. Hit! Oh, I'm back in.
A knife kill! Oh, hit! 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 Oh, hit!
Oh, hit!
Gotcha.
Back in. Hit! This is a horrible idea.
Yeah, it was. Damn it. Why am I in here?
You're injured?
No, I said, why am I in here?
I don't know, man. It was a horrible idea, but we're here. We're making it work.
My ruffle's over there.
I got a pistol right here. Damn. Yeah, but I don't know where my springer is.
You see him, Jason?
It's up in the wall! No, not my springer, it fell.
Is it up there?
You alright up there, David?
You out?
I'm moving through the brush!
You want me to come get you?
He's full! Right in the brush!
Here.
20 feet!
Let me go get this guy, okay?
Go! I'm gonna open and slam the door past you, alright?
Wait. How many people over there? Alright. Wait for it.
Ready, set, go.
Oh, hit. Hey, I'm gonna push that little fort right there. You ready? No, he's not. Get him. Alright. Don't push for tennis. Let's go. Oh, there we go. There you hit me.
Hit!
Alright, we're on your team now?
Wait, so that guy that ran off the line. We were on the other team.
We rushed the bunker. We got hit. That first one he shot barely missed me. Second one got me.
Are those guys friendly?
No.
Well, let's move up and get them because they are by themselves, or at least 3 of them.
They ain't friendly. Shoot them. Last time I remember, those guys were friendly, so. Oh, hit! Wait, are we in the same team?
That's the problem with the bitch game.
Oh well.
Hey, Paul, go back there. Hey, don't y'all gotta leave at 4:30? Yeah. How'd you get back in? Oh, no.
That guy back there.
I thought I heard somebody. No, I'm just kidding.
Hey, hold the guys in the creek.
Yeah. Where they at? Oh, battery has a guy literally with his hand on him. Wow, I didn't even fire anything. I think it's just nice.
Oh, here. I got hit. I'm hit. Thanks. I shot in the fucking ear. My ear got blown off.
Hit.
Oh, right in the neck.
Yeah, I've gotten hit in the neck.
Thank you, that's fine.
Oh! Fuck.
Ow.
On the neck too.
I'm hit.
Last 20 minutes of a bitch game are our friendly fire fests.
I know, right? Y'all just want to lay down fire.
They're on the same team.
Here? They are?
Yeah.
What?
We're on the same team as the guys over there.
Hey, okay, let's go tag them back in.
Yeah.
We need to get this side versus their side.
Oh, hit. Ow. Fuck. Oh, shit. Hit.
We need to get him standing over there.
Yeah, if y'all lay down a ton of fire on blue, I'll run.
Okay.
I got him.
Hit.
Yeah, you heard him
there's
say
another
hit. This thing fires 400 on the dot for a CQB.
Oh, yeah, 2 people over there. Oh, hit.
Oh, you got an Echo 1. They don't make those anymore.
Yeah. I bought it back in bought it back in 10?
Yeah.
Yeah, like literally right before they came out of production.
We got killed by friendlies.
I wasn't on your team.
Did
From
you
over there?
Did you get tagged in by the people in the clock tower? Or
Then we were all shooting friendly.
Yeah, we were.
Yeah.
We spent the last half hour shooting at each other.
Exactly.
well, except those guys. I don't know.
Yeah,
if
those
are-
guys?
Those guys
I've
are
been
part
hitting
of
them
those
a
guys.
lot.
Those guys are part of those guys.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well, maybe friendly firing then.
We've been friendly firing at the whole group. Wow.
Yep. 'Cause I was clipping y'all from down the thing.
Oh yeah, that was you?
Yeah.
Kept hitting me in the hand. Literally every shot was in the hand, except for one in the ear. I was hitting one guy down there a lot wearing an ACU bag.
I love bitch games.
Yep.
How friendly fire fest they are.
Oh, that's cute. It's kind of good. Got some good rounds on here.
Yeah. We had 3 guys and we were just standing.
That's game!
Alright.